Introducing Dixon Automatic Tools Part Placer Series with vibratory feeder bowl and horizontal track. The Model AP111 Part Placer. This project is designed to place insulating sleeves into a liquid-tight conduit connector assembly quickly and precisely. This part placer comes fully equipped for efficient operations. The placing head holds the part securely until it's engaged in the workpiece, ensuring accurate placement every time. Our feed system includes a stainless steel vibratory feeder bowl designed specifically for your parts, with a horizontal inline feed track with a full track shutoff sensor and a two-stage transfer escapement, all consistently controlled by a Rodix solid-state feeder control. An optional stainless steel supply hopper provides extra capacity for sustained production. The bulk supply hopper is operated by a proximity switch in the parts feeder, so the supply hopper will operate on demand. The structure stands on a sturdy 36-inch high column with a 5 1/4-inch throat clearance, offering reliable support. This project comes with customized tooling to handle both 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch insulating sleeves. This setup operates at a cycle rate of 1.5 seconds per cycle, keeping your production line moving efficiently. With built-in good part sensing, the Model AP111 audits each placement, ensuring only properly placed parts continue down the line. Trust in Dixon standards for quality and precision in every placement.